guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can leave a group in Facebook Messenger. So let's go to a group in Facebook Messenger. Okay, on the right side top corner you can see this I button. Tap on there. Now you are in the group profile, so scroll down and you can see here leave group. Just you have to tap here and you will get this pop-up. You have to confirm, leave, and done. So that's all guys. Likewise you can leave a group in Facebook Messenger. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.